If the conditionals were not important to you, you would not have clicked on this video. If you had not clicked on this video, you would probably be watching something else. These sentences are examples of the mixed conditional. We use the mixed conditionals when we imagine a present situation with a result in the past, or a past situation with a result in the present. In this first example, we have a situation in the present, which is the conditionals are important to you. And we have a result in the past. Clicked on this video. This is an example of a present situation affecting a past result. In the second example, we have a situation in the past, which is you didn't click on this video. And we have a result in the present. You would now be watching a different video. So, what's the difference between the third conditional and the mixed conditional? Well, it's time. It's about when the situation occurred and when the result occurred. The third conditional specifically refers to a situation in the past and the result of that situation in the past, while the mixed conditional refers to either a situation in the present and its result in the past, or a situation in the past and its result in the present. Okay, let's practice by answering these questions. If you want, pause the video and try to answer yourself. If the dinosaurs had not gone extinct, what would be different today? If the dinosaurs had not gone extinct, humans would not be alive today. This is an example of a past hypothetical condition having a result in the present. For this type of conditional, we have the if clause in the past perfect, and the result clause is would plus verb. Okay, now try answering this question. If you were able to predict the future, what would you have invested money in? If I were able to predict the future, I would have invested in Amazon. This is an example of a present hypothetical condition having a result in the past. For this type of conditional, we have the if clause in the past simple, and the result clause is would plus have plus past participle. Now, let's look at the most common mistake students make. If I would not have watched this video, I would not understand the mixed conditional. No, the correct form is if I had not watched this video, I would not understand the mixed conditional. Or sometimes students say, if I will want to watch more videos, I would subscribe to the channel. And that's also wrong. The correct form is, if I wanted to watch more videos, I would subscribe to the channel. Just remember, never use will or would in the if clause. This is the fifth and last video on conditional tenses. I made them to be short and straight to the point, but there's still a lot more to learn, like contractions and alternative words to if and would and will. So, if you want to expand your knowledge on the conditionals, check out my other video, How to Use Conditionals Like a Native. And if after watching these videos you're still a bit confused when to use each type of conditional, my other video, Conditionals Timeline, Which Conditionals to Use, will definitely help you.